What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. I bring you another wedding tips for new DJs. This video is made for DJs breaking into the wedding industry, and today I'm talking about introductions. Now, scripted introductions are not really something that I recommend, but if you're just getting started in the overall industry, I think scripted introductions are a great way to learn how to deliver the perfect introductions for your wedding party, for your wedding couple, and for the VIPs of the overall celebration. So how do you make a script? Pretty simple. Type it out into whatever platform you feel most comfortable, Microsoft Word, Notes, Pages on a Mac, and leave room to ad-lib if necessary. Make sure that you accommodate for not just the parents of both the bride, the groom, or the couple in whatever sense, but make sure you have your introductions in order for your wedding party, and more importantly, and most importantly, for the couple themselves, how they want to be introduced to the room, and make sure you include their full names, whether it be their full first name and last name, or however they want to be introduced. I think having a plan and having this scripted out is a great way to get your feet wet and to get comfortable speaking in front of people. Having nerves and being nervous when you get involved in the wedding industry is something that everyone experiences. The more often you do it, the more comfortable you will feel, and scripts are a great way to kind of get into this with something to look at in case you get flustered or overwhelmed. You have something that you can refer to so that you deliver a flawless introduction experience. More tips coming right here to this platform in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Thanks so much for watching.